Hello all, this is Cameron Larson,
And I'm Nicholas Kalkanian.
and for our special feature on our website, we actually took a domain name and mapped it to our AWS server. And how we did that is if you go to your EC2 dashboard, to your instances here, um, you can see your current EC2 instances, and basically what we need to set up is this IPv4 public IP address over here. So how you do that is you actually create an elastic IP on your left here under Network and Security. Click on Elastic IPs. And then you'll click on Allocate New Address here up at the top. And we just used Amazon Pool. If you already have an IPv4 address, you can click Owned by Me and do all that. But what you do is you'll click the Allocate button here. And then won't actually show it because we already have our one free one allocated here. But on the next screen, basically you will choose your EC2 instance that you want associated with that public IP address. You'll pick both the name of it and the internal IP address of that EC2 instance. So we'll go ahead and click cancel here. And once you do that, you'll see this show up here. Again, you'll see your elastic IP address. This will be the one that you associate with your domain name. And you can see the private IP address. This will be the private IP of that EC2 instance before you created this elastic IP. So now if you go back to your instances, you'll see them here. And on that instance that you chose, you'll see it now has an IPv4 public IP right here. And that you'll want to make note of because you'll need it in a little bit here. And then now what you want to do is you'll want to go to a third-party website and register a domain name. I went to GoDaddy.com, and you can just again type in whatever domain name you're looking for. I did myname.com and search for it. As soon as it loads here. So of course mine is taken because I already registered it. Normally you just add it to cart and go through their checkout process and pay for it. After you do that, you'll have to create an account, of course, during that process. You click on Manage Domains. And then you'll click on the domain name that you registered. Then if you scroll down here, you'll see a link called Manage DNS. Click on that. And what you'll want to edit is this first field here that says A. And by default it'll say A, it'll have the @ symbol, and it has some default text here. But if you just click the little pencil icon on the side here, basically the only thing you'll need to change is this points to field. And you'll want to change this field right here to match the public IP of your EC2 instance as shown right here. And once you do that, you can go ahead and hit save. I'll hit cancel because I already had it set up. And then if you open up your internet or open up a browser, you should now be able to go to that that domain name. If you go to that domain name, you will now see your website.